Hi, it's Kay with my Imperfect Style. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to find out how to contour your cheeks so they will look lifted, keep watching. For this project, I'm going to be using Tarte Pro Glow to Go. It's a contouring and highlighting kit. I did separate video for this product. I really like it. That's how it looks like. So usually when you contouring your cheeks, basically what you are using imaginary line from your ear to your mouth, like this line, and this is where you're putting all your products. But if you want to create a lifted look for your cheeks, you have to create a round shape. Your cheeks may be a little bit down, maybe droopy, but you want to create illusion that they are over here, they up here, they round and full. So we're gonna be creating round shapes on my face. Basically what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a dark product over here like this. It's gonna be looking like this, like a hook, I would say. It's gonna go from my ear and it's gonna go here and a little bit high over here. I know some people actually put like this, like all the way, like triangular. It's not gonna work because it's literally, in this case, it's gonna emphasize the droopiness. You wanna create highlight over here. You're gonna create illusions that your cheeks push this way, not that your cheeks push this way. So we're gonna put some color over here like this, and it's gonna create illusion that my cheeks are up and in the middle, up in the middle. That's what we're gonna do. When you're choosing your contouring kit, try to find colors as cool as possible, because basically you're creating a shadow on your face. With a contour, you're creating a shadow on your face which doesn't exist. And shadows don't come in orange, so try to stay on a cooler side. Alright, so let's go and do it. I'm taking product on my brush, not much because it's not supposed to be too much. It's supposed to be slightly, it's supposed to create illusion, not the actual look. So I'm taking a little bit and taking off. I can always return and take a little bit more. Okay, I'm starting with my ear and I immediately going down, because I want to create illusion of liftness. So if I'm gonna go this way, once again it's gonna create skinny face. I want to create illusions that there's actually something here, there's something round over here. So I am going down little bit. See, I need more product. Going down a little bit. And I'm starting to go up to curl. As you can see, this is where my cheeks end right now, and I want them to end a little bit higher. So I am going across ending of my cheek. I'm going across. I'm not going under my cheek, because what's the point to emphasize the cheek you already have? I'm going across. It's okay. I'm gonna go across and I'm gonna emphasize and lift my cheek up. So let's go across. And curl a little bit up. That's all I want to do. Right now you see I outlined my round cheek over here. I'm not going all the way over here, because if I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna create darkness over here, I actually gonna create a droopy look for my cheek. So I'm trying to push my cheek from this side up in my face and not here. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna blend this a little bit, because I want to create a shadow. I don't want to create a harsh line, so I'm gonna blend it. I like to use one of those fluffy brushes. Some people like to more emphasize. I like those fluffy because I want it to be blended well. Now I'm gonna go with my concealer and clean a little bit. Alright, let's do the second cheek. I'm going from my ear, going down, and immediately going across my cheek, right away. I'm going across, I'm not going under my cheek, and I am drawing a hook. So you can see I'm drawing a hook and I am going a little bit up over here. So the whole thing, basically, I am going a little bit in my eye area, just slightly, not going too much, because I want to create shadow on sides of my face, like it's pushed here, but not too much on front of my face. So I'm going just a little bit to the front of my face, just a little bit. And as I said, across my cheeks, not under my actual cheeks, across my cheeks. And here's the line. Let's blend it. And let's get a little bit of concealer, just a little bit. Let's blend it. And now I'm ready for blush and highlighter. Because I'm trying to creating circles over here, circular stuff, I'm not gonna put blush like this. I'm gonna put blush in circular motion, like a big circle. I use the same brush I use for contouring because I want something small and angular, and I am literally putting a little bit of blush, on the middle of my cheeks over here, creating a circular illusion. So this is where I'm putting my blush. I'm gonna blend it a little bit. Like this. Not too much. I'm gonna put my highlighter right here. Because once again I'm creating circles on my face. So my highlighter is going right here in this area. I'm gonna use my finger for my highlighter because I just feel a little bit more in control when I'm trying to create a circle surface. Once again, I'm staying in the middle of my face. I'm trying to create circles on my face. And I'm gonna put a little bit of highlighter over here to emphasize this part of my cheeks. Just a little bit, literally just a little bit, just a tapping. And we're done. So this is the final result. This is how my cheeks look like. They are very lifted right now, and I really like the blush I used. It really go well with my whole look. Guys, I hope you found this video useful and you like it. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, don't forget to leave me a comment. And I see you next time. Bye.